Hi friends, welcome to Durga Soft. My name is Ratan. We are discussing Python interview questions, right? Because question number 95. So previous video we talked about what is the purpose of the pandas, right? Now question number 95. What is a series in pandas? What is a series in what? Pandas. How to create the series in pandas? Okay, so what is a series in pandas and what? How to create the series in pandas, right? Yeah, because series is an object which contains the multiple values. A series is a data type, data structure belongs to the pandas, right? So previously I told you in pandas we have the two data structures. No, what are the two data structures? Tell me. One is a series and one is a data frame. Now this example we have to, with this interview question, we have to know what are the different ways to create the series in pandas. The series is an object, it contains what? Data structure or object, it contains the type of data, right? A series is basically one dimensional array. So this is what basically one dimensional array which contains only x-axis data, which contains what? Only x-axis data. That series can be built based on any type of data like integer type, float type, boolean type, string type, any object. Series is basically one dimensional array that can be hold the data values of any type, integer, float, string, boolean, like that, right? It's like the simplest data type structure in the Python. X-axis label only we have, we don't have the x and y axis, only x-axis label we have. Only what? Data axis label, right? So we understood that series is a data structure in pandas which is like one dimensional array and it can take the series like any type of data. The first case, to create the series we need to go for the series class, guys. Pandas, I am importing pandas as a PD. Nothing but what? Pandas module as alias name I take in the PD. PD is like my alias name. So that I can call the data related to the pandas using PD, right? You can call the data related to the pandas using what? PD, right? Exactly. Creating the series with the predefined index. Because when I create the series pandas.series of data, by default the data is coming like by default it will take that series one dimensional array which is an index also. It will take the index by default index. It will take what? Default index 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. No sir, I want to make my own user defined index. Then I create the p.series with the two arguments. Only one argument means what? By default it will take the predefined index. No sir, I want to give my own user defined index means series of what? Data with the corresponding user defined index, right? User defined what? Index, right? Exactly. But when you create the series using dictionary, using dictionary I am creating the series. If you are passing dictionary to the series class, the dictionary keys becomes by default indexes. The dictionary keys becomes by default what? Indexes. And the fourth one is what? Combine the two series. Even if you want, you can combine the two series also, it's not a problem. Like addition operation, multiplication operation, subtraction operation. We can do arithmetic operation on what? Series also. We got the point that the first point is what? Creating the series with predefined indexes. Creating the series with what? User defined index. Creating the series by passing the dictionary object. When you pass the dictionary object, the dictionary keys becomes the indexes and dictionary values becomes the data, and it is possible to combine what? Two series, right? So we need to get the clarity about this all, right? That's what I am going with this all. What is series in pandas? How to create the series in pandas, right? Yeah. So different ways we have to know different ways to create a series, right? Exactly. Just let me run this code so that you get the clarity. Just to run this code, let me edit plus, let me use edit plus. I hope previous videos also I am using edit plus, right? Here you can go for the file menu, new, others, Python. Here first let me take the interview questions, this first one, guys. I am creating the series with the predefined index. See the output, you will get some clarity. Import pandas as PD, right? And creating the series with the predefined index. Okay, predefined index, local disk D, the file is what? First.py. The file is called what? First.py, right? First.py is there. Just open the command prompt, local disk D. How can you run this code, ma? You run this code, Python, the file is called what? First dot py. See guys, it's saying that module not found error, exactly. Because previous video I told you that we need to install the pandas. We need to install what, ma? Pandas, right? To install the pandas, what we will do here? We need to go for the pip command. Pip install what? Pandas, right? Exactly. While doing the pip installation, make sure that your system is connecting the internet. Some people are working like, they are directly using, saying that pip is not installed. To work with the pip command, make sure that you need to work with what, your system is connecting with what? Internet, right? Downloading pandas. I told you that pandas data structures are built on the top of the numpy. That's what? Collecting numpy. Python date utils. Yes or no, guys? Yeah, this is all required, guys. To work with the Python pandas, these all like internal modules required. You got the point, right? Yeah, successfully installing collection package, right? Collected packages. Yes, you got the kind pointer. Yeah, let me now run the code. Now when we run the code, 1 second. Yeah, when we run the code, Python, the file is called what? First.py. Now we expected one series. The series contains the data is what? Because to create the series, pandas.series class required. What the class name here? Series class. Series class expecting what? Data, right? The series class expecting what? Data. In this case, control is, yeah, we expected data. See the output one, get the clarity. Just let me drag the some side. Yes. Run this code, guys. If you run this code, you will get this one. Data type D type, you will get data type into 64-bit format. These are called index, guys. By default, index starts from 0. This is called index column. This is called index column. This is like data column. So 0. So 3, 2, 5, 7, 9, 3, 2 again, right? This is called first column is called index column. This is called data column, right? Exactly. One dimensional, guys. That one dimensional contains the index based. Got the point, right? User defined, predefined index. This is a predefined index. By default, predefined index contains like zeros. Zero starts from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. No sir, let me go for the user defined index. Very good. This is like creating user defined index. If you run this code, pandas.series. Now series we are passing how many arguments? Tell me. 2 arguments. First argument is a data, Ramu, Anu, Raju, Rani. I am passing first argument is a data. And second argument is what? Indexing. These are the indexes. Like user defined index. This is called what? User defined index, right? Exactly. Because now when we run this code, Python first.py, see the output now. This is for the first one, into 64. Because this is like, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Because 1, 2, 3 and what? 4, right? Ramu, Anu, Raju, Rani. It's like object format. String means object format, right? Fine. Guys, you got the pointer. These are the numpy data types, guys. Into 64, the object format. This is the user defined index. Same pandas, if you are passing the series class, let me pass the dictionary object. Dictionary means what? Key value pair. 11 triple A, 22 triple B, 33 triple C. Like this you can pass the data. 11 triple A, 22 triple B, 33 triple C. Now, in this case, tell me in this case, what is the situation? By default, dictionary keys becomes the indexes. By default, dictionary keys becomes the indexes. The corresponding data becomes the values. Index and the corresponding data, right? If you run this code, see the output once. This is the default indexing. This is the user defined indexing. This is the this is what? Keys becomes the indexes. Keys becomes what? Indexes. this becomes what? Value, right? Data becomes a value. This is the indexes and this is the data. Think you got the idea, right? How to create the series. Yeah, this is the interview question, guys. How to create the series. You need to give the explanation like that. So, this is the way series, how to create the series with user defined index, predefined index. When you pass the dictionary to the series, it is taking the keys as a indexes, data as a values as a data, right? Exactly. And it is possible to combine the two series also. Combining two series, right? So, when you combine the two series, you can try to check the output once. Pandas.series, first pandas.series, first one, pandas.series, second one. First series, second series, you are trying to combine. Then what is your expected output? What is expected output means? Run this code. Okay, this is the last one, right? Because you got the output is what? 11, 22, 33. Yes or no? Because it's not like, making the series with the 6 values. It's not like that. So, first series, second series will be doing the addition operation of every element. We are getting output, right? We are getting what? Output. See guys, now 101, 202, 303. Because 1 plus 100, 101, 2 plus 200, 202, 3 plus 300, 303, right? So, I hope you got the complete idea about how to create the series and what is a series. Series is a data structure in pandas to take the one dimensional array data. One dimensional array data, right? Exactly. First series you are creating with the predefined index, second series with the user defined index, series with the dictionary data, combining what? Two different series. Very good. Yeah, guys, you got the clarity, right? I think I gave the more explanation about how to create the series in pandas, how to create the what is the series in pandas, how to create the series in what? Pandas, right? Exactly. Guys, clear? Yeah. Guys, thanks for watching. Like the video, comment the video, write some reviews about Ratan sir. Guys, I am giving this much explanation for you guys. Write some reviews about Ratan sir in the Google, so because these days people are checking the reviews to come to the classes, right? Yeah. Thank you guys. Me to go for next question. You go for next video. You go for next question. Question number 96. Okay. Thank you.